Good morning, good afternoon. I hope anybody's watching is having a beautiful day. Bone, SHIBASWAP. I love talking about it because it's my biggest holding. And as a retail investor, I love my investment. So, right, Saitoshi Kusama showed himself in Japan. To me, that was bullish right there. Things I want to see. I'm fine the way things are going. I don't want Bone ShibaSwap to be rushed to have success, right? Because it's a long term game. Shiba Inu, I can say within 2 years it grew pretty quick. Bone ShibaSwap, it's it's an integration thing, right? A merge, right? It takes time. It's not gonna happen overnight. Um, what we do need in Bone Shiba Swap is whales. We need big investors to put big money in there. Again, there's a lot of issues with that as well because people like you and I, we bought at very low Bone. Not bought mine in exchange, but again, regardless, our assets would go crazy high in value. So I can see where there's a little bit of an issue, right? Like if I have $50 to $100 million. I already know if I put a million, 2 million in there, maybe even 50 to 100, another 100 mil, it's gonna go crazy up in value, and people want to sell, but it's a long-term play. I like the way it's going for the long term. Comment down below if you like it. If you don't, why? Why don't you like what's going on with Bone Shiba Swap? Like I said, it's a slow game, but you don't want it to be something quick. Right now we have a lot of integration going on, and overall there's always updates weekly. Check their Twitter out, so that way you can find out what's going on. One thing that I'm really looking forward now, I know nobody's talking about this, is exchanges coming into shibarium. That way we can, what's that word? Like if you're somebody like myself, you can stake within the crypto.com or official Coinbase, right? That way you can make money on that. They make money on it. It's a win-win. That'd be more than bullish for Bone Shiba Swap long term. Again, a lot's going on within the project. I'll make another video about Shiba Inu later on. For me right now, mainly it's about Bone. I'm really loving seeing, for right now, the price is pretty stale for right now, but everything keeps going up and down, up and down. Bitcoin goes up and down, Ethereum's going up and down. So Ethereum goes down, everything goes down. Ethereum goes up, it goes up. Not necessarily, but it's following that pattern, which is fine. Like I said, I'm here for long-term growth. This is not financial advice, anything I said, but long-term growth is definitely where I'm at, where I'm headed at, and I'm looking to buy in again some Bone off exchange again, maybe like 500, just something small, and just like really forget about it, and just have like a bunch of cryptos there. And hey, if it goes to $100,000, a million one day, we sell it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. What I gotta say. Really happy what's going on. Not too much of my knowledge is going on that really gonna make anything go ooh. This is different projects right now coming out into shibarium. Some projects supposedly left shibarium, but they weren't doing anything for themselves. So like I said, we need investors from what I'm seeing, but time will tell. What do y'all think? What's the future? Like I said, more listings, more investors, more money, and